The birth of ChatGPT. ChatGPT evolution capabilities and current state in 2025. ChatGPT has evolved from a novel AI chatbot to a sophisticated multimodal artificial intelligence system that has transformed how millions interact with AI technology. Since its initial release in November 2022, ChatGPT has undergone significant advancements in its capabilities, user interface, and underlying models, becoming one of the most rapidly adopted consumer technologies in history. This report examines ChatGPT's development, technical foundations, capabilities, usage patterns, and recent updates as of April 2025. Definition and overview. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI that uses natural language processing to create human-like conversational dialogue. It represents a form of generative AI that allows users to enter prompts and receive human-like responses in return. The system can respond to questions and compose various written content, including articles, social media posts, essays, code, and emails. Unlike traditional chatbots with limited scripted responses, ChatGPT leverages sophisticated large language models that enable it to understand context, generate creative content, and engage in meaningful exchanges across a wide range of topics. Its name reflects its technological foundation. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which describes the underlying neural network architecture that processes requests and formulates responses. ChatGPT was created by OpenAI, an artificial intelligence research company founded in 2015 by a group of entrepreneurs and researchers including Elon Musk and Sam Altman. The company, which is backed by several investors with Microsoft being the most notable, also created other AI tools like DALL-E, an AI text-to-art generator. The power behind ChatGPT comes from its generative pre-trained transformer architecture, which employs specialized algorithms to identify patterns within data sequences. These patterns allow the model to predict what words or phrases might logically follow in a conversation or text generation task. The system is trained through reinforcement learning with human feedback and reward models that rank responses, helping to augment the system through machine learning for improved future interactions. Originally launched with the GPT 3.5 large language model, ChatGPT has seen several iterations of its underlying technology. Currently, ChatGPT provides access to GPT 3.5 and limited access to the newer GPT-4o model, while subscribers to ChatGPT Plus have full access to GPT-4 and GPT-4o. As of April 10, 2025, OpenAI has announced that GPT-4 will be retired from ChatGPT and fully replaced by GPT-4o effective April 30, 2025. The journey of ChatGPT began well before its public launch, with OpenAI publishing foundational research on generative models as early as June 16, 2016. This research focused on models trained by collecting vast amounts of data in specific domains and teaching the models to generate similar data. OpenAI's path to ChatGPT included several significant research developments. June 2016, publication of research on generative models. September 2019, research on fine-tuning the GPT-2 language model with human preferences and feedback. January 2022, publication of research on Instruct GPT models showing improved instruction following capabilities. November 30th, 2022, official introduction of ChatGPT using GPT 3.5 as a free research preview. February 1st, 2023, launch of ChatGPT Plus, a premium subscription option offering fewer downtimes and early access to new features. March 14, 2023, release of GPT-4 in ChatGPT and Bing, promising better reliability, creativity, and problem-solving capabilities. The adoption rate of ChatGPT was remarkable, reaching 100 million users faster than platforms like TikTok, which took 9 months, and Instagram, which took 2.5 years. This rapid growth underscored the public's interest in and demand for conversational AI technologies. ChatGPT offers a diverse range of capabilities that extend far beyond simple text generation. These features have contributed to its versatility and widespread adoption across various applications. Core capabilities. Contextual understanding. ChatGPT can comprehend the context of a conversation and provide accurate responses based on previous messages, allowing for natural dialogue flow. This capability is particularly valuable in applications like customer service chatbots, personalized responses. The system can tailor its responses based on user preferences and previous interactions, analyzing chat history to customize output according to individual interests. This personalization enhances user experience in e-commerce and customer service applications. Multilingual support. ChatGPT functions across multiple languages, making it accessible to users worldwide and valuable for global organizations. Sentiment analysis. The system can detect the emotional tone in user messages and adjust its responses accordingly, recognizing whether users are expressing happiness, frustration, or other emotions. Conversation continuity. ChatGPT maintains the thread of a conversation even when users switch topics or take breaks, creating a more natural interaction experience. Text generation. Beyond conversations, ChatGPT excels at creating various forms of content based on user prompts, from creative writing to business documents. Natural language generation. The system produces text that closely mimics human writing patterns, making its output sound natural and authentic. Automatic summarization. ChatGPT can condense lengthy texts into concise summaries, extracting key information while preserving the essential meaning. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Multimodal processing. Since the introduction of newer models, ChatGPT can now process both images and text inputs, expanding its utility for more complex tasks. Voice interaction. Voice features became available to all users in November 2023, enabling spoken conversations with the AI. These capabilities have made ChatGPT valuable across numerous domains, from professional applications to educational purposes and entertainment. Usage patterns and demographics. Research data shows interesting patterns in how Americans have adopted and used ChatGPT since its introduction. These patterns reveal demographic differences that provide insights into who is using the technology and for what purposes. Workplace adoption. The integration of ChatGPT into professional settings has shown steady growth. Among employed Americans, usage for work-related tasks increased significantly from 8% in March 2023 to 20% in February 2024, with an 8-point increase observed just since July 2023. This trend indicates growing acceptance of AI assistance in professional environments, general usage purposes. About 1 in 5 US adults, or 17%, have used ChatGPT for learning new information, while an equal percentage has used it for entertainment purposes. Both figures represent an increase from approximately 1 in 10 in March 2023, demonstrating broadening applications beyond specialized professional use. Age-based differences. Usage patterns show clear generational divides. Approximately 31% of employed adults under 30 report using ChatGPT for work tasks, representing a 19-point increase from the previous year. Younger adults under 30 show higher rates of using the chatbot for learning purposes compared to older age groups. Entertainment usage is more common among adults under 50 than those 50 and older. These patterns suggest that younger generations are more readily adopting AI tools across various aspects of their lives. Education level variations. Educational background correlates strongly with ChatGPT adoption. 33% of employed Americans with postgraduate degrees have used ChatGPT for work, compared to 25% of those with bachelor's degrees, 19% with some college, and just 8% with a high school diploma or less. For learning purposes, 25% each of postgraduate and bachelor's degree holders have used ChatGPT, versus 16% of those with some college experience and 11% with a high school education or less. These statistics indicate that higher education levels correspond with greater ChatGPT adoption, possibly reflecting differences in technological literacy, workplace roles, or access to technology. Recent developments and updates. ChatGPT has undergone numerous updates and improvements since its initial release, with the pace of innovation accelerating in recent months. These developments have expanded its capabilities and enhanced user experience. Model evolution in early 2025. The most significant recent development is the announced retirement of GPT-4 from ChatGPT to be fully replaced by GPT-4o effective April 30th, 2025. OpenAI describes GPT-4o as a natively multimodal model that consistently outperforms GPT-4 across writing, coding, STEM, and other domains. This transition marks an important milestone in ChatGPT's technical evolution. On March 27, 2025, OpenAI announced significant improvements to GPT-4o, enhancing its problem-solving capabilities in STEM and coding domains. The updated model generates cleaner, simpler front-end code and produces outputs that more consistently compile and run successfully. It also demonstrates improved instruction following capabilities, especially for complex or multi-part requests. In February 2025, OpenAI released GPT 4.5 to users on the Pro plan, representing another step in the iterative improvement of the underlying technology, interface, and usability enhancements. Throughout early 2025, ChatGPT has seen numerous interface improvements. February 28, 2025. Introduction of a temporary chat icon in the top bar to improve accessibility. February 21st, 2025. Implementation of iOS widgets and text selection improvements. February 14th, 2025. Addition of functionality to set ChatGPT as the default search engine in Safari. February 6th, 2025. Introduction of canvas sharing, allowing users to share rendered React or HTML code documents or code with other users. January 17th, 2025. Update to custom instructions, making it easier for users to personalize how ChatGPT responds by specifying desired traits, communication style, and rules to follow. These enhancements reflect a focus on improving usability and integration with other tools and platforms, making ChatGPT more accessible and versatile for different use cases. Conclusion. ChatGPT has rapidly evolved from a novel AI chatbot to a sophisticated multimodal system that millions of users worldwide have integrated into their personal and professional lives. Its combination of natural language understanding, context awareness, and versatile capabilities has made it valuable across diverse applications, from content creation to problem solving and entertainment. As of April 2025, ChatGPT stands at an interesting transition point with the upcoming replacement of GPT-4 by the more capable GPT-4o model. The system continues to show demographic differences in adoption, with younger, more educated users leading the way in integrating this technology into various aspects of their lives. The frequent updates and enhancements to both the underlying models and the user interface demonstrate OpenAI's commitment to continuous improvement and responsiveness to user needs. As AI technology continues to advance, ChatGPT represents a significant milestone in making sophisticated artificial intelligence accessible to general users through an intuitive conversational interface. The rapid pace of development suggests that ChatGPT will likely continue evolving in capabilities and applications, further transforming how people interact with AI as a tool for productivity, learning, and creativity. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.